why should we start with the methodology chapter, right? I mean, it's labeled chapter 3. Why shouldn't we just do it after, 1 and 2? Well, the reason is this. If you lay out your methodology chapter, you're telling the reader, in your own brain that you have a doable study, okay? You have research questions, you have a data analysis plan, you have instruments that you can use to get that information from those participants. So you'll know pretty quickly whether or not you have a doable study. Okay? After you know that you have a doable study, then you can go back, okay, and then flesh out the lit review, right? Talk about the constructs in your research questions and things of that sort. So, for example, if you were looking at self-efficacy by gender, right, you can talk, and you have that as your research question, and you can get participants, right? Let's just say third graders, okay? You have an instrument on self-efficacy, and you have a data analysis plan, maybe doing a t-test to see if there are differences, right? You kind of have the framework for your whole study. Then you can go back to the lit review, right, and say, okay, let's talk about gender differences. Let's talk about self-efficacy literature and really kind of work backwards. So even if you don't want to see chapter 3 just yet, your committee that is, I suggest that you write it out and kind of get that going in your brain, okay?